Tonawanda wants that ball. Oh, we're gonna get a loose ball push. Okay. No, I'm sorry, Ben. Yeah, maybe that's Hank Gabriel. Looking inside. Good. Good. That's good defense there by Onondaga, number 21. He gets it on over to number 5. Save! Oh! He waits for his offense. Gets it over far side. He's got a cutter. Nothing there. Looking for a pass. Score! Tusker Horse. So Onondaga is the home team. Tonawanda will be the guest according to the scoreboard. Saved by Dax Abrams. Here's Onondaga. Number 21 gets around 3 guys. Big save by Dax Abrams. That was a big shot taken by Onondaga. Oh, turnover in the zone. Rebound by Onondaga. Saved by Dax. Horsefall. Horsefall wants another one. He's looking inside. Score! Snyder. So a lot of good energy here. Here we go. Onondaga. True. Oh, another big save. Poudry's shot. Big wide. Rebound by Anthony Rebin. Another rebound. Big save. Score! Marcus Shock. Shock. Score! No drag there. There we go. Anthony Redmond. Oh, we're going to get a delayed penalty on the backside. It's going to go to True for checking in. Walker True. Tonawanda power play. 3-1 Tonawanda. 11 minutes here in the second period. Here's Rocky. Big shot saved by violation. Onondaga ball coming up. 40 seconds on a penalty to Onondaga. That pass didn't make it through. Shock. The goal scorer. Big save by Dax Abrams. Picked up by Onondaga. Kincaid Moses. Lucas Benedict. Saved by Dax, and that's going to be a crease call. That's picked up. Anthony Abrams, shot, save. Anthony Abrams, rebound, shot, saved by Gabriel. Good work by Onondaga, defense and goaltending. I'm getting excited, Greg. Here's Ivan Abrams. Ivan, saved by Dax Abrams. This is a lot of work. Oh, we got a big Snyder. Snyder, good work there by Snyder. Looks up top to Rocky. Rocky score! This is Tucker Owen. Tucker Owen. Saved by Gabriel. Snyder. Underhand shot. Score! Drew. Gets it on over to Marcus Shock. Shock gets inside. Shock. Big save by Dax Abrams. Shakes Redmond. Redmond not going anywhere. 30 seconds remaining. True gets around Redmond. Dumps it. Saved by Abrams. He's looking far. There we go. Number 15. Saved by Gabriel. Marcus being guarded up by Rocky. Rocky's shot. Score! Marcus Shock. Hardy. True. Hardy. Saved by Abrams. This is Neo Brasola. Brasola gets inside, saved by Dax Abrams. I'm sure he takes a lot of shots from his big brother, Greg. Big brothers. Oh, I missed it. We got a goal. Breeze coming through now, Greg. Here we go, Tonawanda. Number 9. Out. Luca Perry. Oh, big hit. Nice pass up floor. Looking for Lucas Benedict. Lucas. Oh, nice move inside. Lucas. Oh, wow. Yeah. So Jumbo Elliott out in British Columbia, I got to give a shout out to him. You know, oh, big shot and score, Tonawanda. Clip it. Chance Logan, I'm sorry. Here's Rocky. Rocky's going to step in. Rocky, big shot. Score! What's up, my man? Chased down by Onondaga's number 4 of Marcus Shock. And we're going to get a loose ball push. We got a little extra going on. Oh, my goodness. We got 5-minute major there, Greg, on to Kincaid Moses. Unsportsmanlike conduct, 5 minutes. Weekend. Oh, here we go, Onondaga. Shoot, score! Finango Hardy. 3 minutes remaining here. Onondaga's playing catch. Oh, we got some extra right in front of us. 3 minutes remaining here. Onondaga's playing catch. Oh, we got some extra right in front of us. Nothing. Stay. NAMLA Championships. Everybody's working. Everybody's playing. Here we go. Tonawanda. This is Poudre. Saved by Gabriel. This is Hardy. Hardy gets inside. Saved by Dax Abrams. That ball's loose. Nothing there. Oh, good. Shoots and scores! Sander Poudre. Here we go. Shot. Saved by Gabriel. And that horn does it right there. Tonawanda. 2024 Pee Wee Division champions on their home turf. Oh, what a great game. Great game to Onondaga. Onondaga Pee Wees came in this division ranked number 1. Wow, what a great game. I'd have to say it was a goalie game, and my kudos are going to go to Dexter Abrams, Greg. Woo-wee, that boy took a lot of shots. And again, I'll be right back going down the field to do my NAMLA thing. Thank you, Greg.